Student, I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Here we discuss structural and stereoisomer of molecular formula C5H10. Generally we call it pentene. Okay, so we have to draw the structure of structural isomers of C5H10. It is very helpful in NEET and IIT and other many competitive exam, and this is only applicable for all students which are going for IIT or medical entrance exam. Two categories of isomers will get: non-cyclic alkene and cyclic alkenes. I am saying alkenes here and cyclic alkenes, isomers of C5H10, including structural of isomers. If I'll get time, then I will tell you structure. Otherwise, in second video, you'll get the structure. So there are total 13 isomers of C5H10. Okay, structural isomer and stereoisomers. So stereoisomers contain cis and trans isomers, that is geometrical isomers, as well as optical isomers. So C5H10 isomers consisting 6 alkene and 7 cycloalkanes. Total 13 isomers are there. 6 alkene non-cyclic isomers. So one double bond will be present in this case, that is in alkene. In cycloalkane there is one ring. What does it mean? Degree of unsaturation is 1. Okay, degree of unsaturation is 1 means presence of either one double bond will be there or one ring structure will be there. That is why I told you that two categories we are getting. One is from alkene, double bond containing compound, and second one cyclic containing compound, cycloalkane. So total 6 plus 7, 13 isomers will be there. Name of these isomers first you write down. Okay, alkenes 6 isomers: pent-1-ene, E-pent-2-ene, G-pent-2-ene, cis and trans alkene. Okay, now 3-methyl but-1-ene, 2-methyl but-1-ene, and 2-methyl but-2-ene. Write down all these names, very important, because they will give sometimes structures and they will ask which is the isomer of C5H10. Okay, now or which is cis and G form, like that. So alkenes, I told you 6 isomers of this. Now cycloalkanes 7 isomers: methyl cyclobutane, cyclopentane, 1,1 dimethyl cyclopropane, ethyl cyclopropane, cis 1,2 dimethyl cyclopropane, RR 1,2 dimethyl cyclopropane, SS 1,2 dimethyl cyclopropane. Means cis form of this, and this is trans form, and which is showing optical isomerism. So 1,2 dimethyl cyclopropane exists in there are 3 stereoisomers of this. So 3 stereoisomers I told you. Cis here, this is trans, and trans shows D and L also. In trans is showing enantiomers also. So cis form and trans form, and this trans form is having enantiomers. So D and L enantiomer are there. So cis plus D and L. Okay, D and L. So total 3 isomers of this alkene. So total how many cycloalkanes? Total 7 isomers. So 6 plus 7 how many? 13. Okay, so 13 isomers of this. Now we will go for the structures of this. Cis-2-pentene Z isomers, trans-2-pentene E isomers. So here I told this is from alkene. Now I will tell you about 1,2 dimethyl cyclopropane exists as cis and trans form. So this is cis form, cis 1,2 dimethyl cyclopropane, and this is transform. Transform are having chirality, chiral carbon. Okay, so see, this is non-superimposable mirror image. Sometimes they will say identify cis and transform, or which is cis and trans. They will give you several structures. So see, up here, up down, here down down. Okay, so here in this is cis form and this is transform. Clear? Now I will tell you about this also. Sometimes they will give this type of structure. 1,2 are cis isomers of 1,2 dimethyl cyclopropane. They are same structure. Okay, so and there are these the transform is having D and L structure. Okay, 2 asymmetric centers are there. This one's and this is second, this is first, this is second. So this is D and L form. Pair of enantiomers optically active compound will be there. Mirror image of each other, so non-superimposable mirror image of each other. And this is having meso compound optically inactive. This is optically active. So draw all the possible stereoisomers. So at that moment this is all stereo possible isomers of 1,2 dimethyl cyclopropane. 3 stereoisomers. Clear? Now we will go for the next in detail. This I told you about especially for 1,2 cyclopropane. I told you this about also. Now we'll go for this pentvanine, epentwine, g-pentwine, 3-methylbutanine, 2-methylbutanine, 2-methylbutanine. Six isomers, and this I told you earlier. Now I will tell you this structure. Straight chain isomers. See, I have not mentioned hydrogen. Only I have written carbon skeleton. Parent chain, pentvanine, pentuine, cis and trans. 3 isomer here, straight chain and 3 branched chain. So this is 3-methylbutanine, 2-methylbutanine, 2-methylbutanine, 3 isomers here. So total 6 straight chain. Straight and branch chain non-cyclic structural isomers. Okay, now here I told you 7. So 1, this is methyl cyclobutane, this is cyclopentane, this is 1,2 dimethyl cyclopropane. I told you about there, it is having 3 isomers, and 1,1 dimethyl cyclopropane, and then ethyl cyclopropane. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3 of this. So total 7. So 6 plus 7, 13. Now if they ask question, the total number of isomers of C5H10, so it will be 13. Clear to you? Thank you for watching. All the best. God bless you. And write down each and everything. I have given you complete information. All the best, my child. Get success. Thank you for watching.